Welcome, Baba. Hashtag 100 million smiles because smiles are blissful.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel hashtag 100 million smiles. So in today's video we are gonna do a brand and product review. So for that, brand called Bella Vita Organic has sent me these two products and they are so cute, guys. Look at the packaging. So today we are gonna review and try out these products out. Although it is a collaboration video, I am gonna give you very honest reviews about the products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, before I actually start with the tryout session, let me appreciate the outer packaging. The outer packaging is so cute, guys. It is like a jute ka potli and it is obviously reusable. You can use it for anything else later on. Also there is like their name written Bella Vita, and then eco-friendly. Obviously this is eco-friendly, it's a jute bag, and then they have written all natural. So yeah, they claim that their products are all natural. So let's see, open this products and let's see what are the ingredients and all of that. So yeah, let's open this one by one. So first I'm gonna like open the first product, and this is what I have. It is a lip scrub. It says Nico Lips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. It claims to lighten my lips, but obviously it's not gonna work in one go. I have to keep using it continuously. So yeah, this is how the outer like packaging looks like. It's nice and sturdy. It's a glass bottle, nice and heavy. यहाँ पे उनका brand लिखा हुआ है. They say it's all natural. So let's read the ingredients. The key ingredients are shea butter, olive oil, vegetarian wax, wheat gram oil, rose sheep oil, oats, and walnut bread. So guys, this is like not a sugar scrub. Most of the lip scrubs like have sugar in it to scrub your lips. I like one thing about this, that there is no sugar in it. Then they have vitamin E, carrot seed oil, beetroot extract, peppermint oil, and also they have given this like directions how to use it. That is, apply the scrub to your lips and massage in circular motions. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then wash off. So this is what we have to do. And it also says like helps exfoliate, hydrate, softens, and brighten lips in 4 weeks. So yeah, they also say that it will take 4 weeks to like soften and brighten my lips. So yeah, we are still gonna try it out and see like what instant change or how it feels on my lips. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. So yeah, let's open this first product. As I guys told you, I haven't opened the products yet, so I'm gonna open this product right here. I'm gonna open this. Wow guys, it's not like a balm consistency, it's like jelly kind of a consistency. This is how it looks if you guys can see it properly. And मैं यहाँ भी रख रही हूँ ना, I could smell it. The smell is so nice and sweet and fruity. It smells like strawberries, like real strawberries. ऐसा लग रहा है उसके अंदर strawberry beads है. But yeah, let's try it out. All they say is like you have to take some product and then I'm gonna scrub it like that. So yeah guys, after I scrub, this is how my lips are looking like. I haven't removed it yet because they say that I have to wait for like 1 to 2 minutes before I wash it off. So I'm gonna wait, but while I was scrubbing, it is nice and really the granules are really fine and it helps to exfoliate really good. वो जाड़े sugar जो granules रहते हैं ना, it doesn't help in scrubbing properly, but this helped me to scrub really good. I like the consistency. I don't have anything bad to talk about it. Also it says like it's all natural products, so again it's a yay from my side. And yeah, I can feel like a heating sensation on my lips. I don't know if everyone is gonna feel the same, but after I've scrubbed and I've kept it for a while, I have that heating sensation on my lips. And I feel that when you have that heating sensation or you have any sensation, it's working. So yeah, that is just my mentality. And yeah, we are here with the next product. This is what the next product is. It is a Grow Brow Oil. It also says that it is for eyebrows as well as lashes oil. I'm so excited to use this one as my lashes are already nice and long. I wanted to grow even more so that it looks pretty and really like curled up. And this is what they have given with this one. I appreciate this. Like, you can apply it really well. You don't have to use your fingers or earbuds. You can use this. It is a spoolie or an applicator, whatever you guys want to say. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a nice sturdy glass bottle, nothing fancy, but it is a good heavy packaging. I like the packaging. There is nothing very fancy to talk about it, but I also at the same time I also appreciate the spoolie they have given. और एक like brow oil है, तो I don't think they need to do any like fancy thing to it, but it's a glass bottle. I appreciate that. So we're gonna read the ingredients on the back. That is oil of castor, almond, ajwain, onion, sunflower, brimraj, then amla, then brahmin, hibiscus, vanilla, vitamin E. I love the ingredients. The ingredients are so good. Like, and also they are not key ingredients. पहले वाले इसमें they have given only key ingredients, but this is like the normal ingredients, and the ingredients are so amazing. Like, there are all good oils in this product. I love it. Also they have given the like directions how to use it. That is, apply small amount of Grow Brow on your eyebrows and lashes using the applicator brush included with the product. Leave it overnight. So they say that I have to use it at night. Obviously it's not night time right now, but I'm still gonna use it and see how it works on my, like, obviously this is not gonna work instantly. It will take a while to work on my hair. Like, obviously your hair is not gonna grow like lagate hi bad gaya. It's not gonna happen like that. So yeah, this is how the packaging is. It's nice and sturdy, बिल्कुल भी flimsy नहीं है. It's all sealed. See, it is sealed, and it comes with a cap like this. So we're gonna open that first. Okay, I'm gonna struggle with it, so catch you once I open it. So I've opened this thing. I've removed the white part over here. All I'm gonna do is dip this thing in the oil, remove the excess oil out. Wow guys, this smells so amazing. I love the smell, like the natural thing smell. I can already smell it. It's so nice. So what I'm gonna do is apply it on my brows a little bit, just like that. I'm gonna dip it again and apply it on my other brows as well. Then I'm gonna apply the remaining on my lashes. I don't feel any heaviness on my eyes or on my eyebrows. It's really normal. I don't feel any heaviness. It smells good. It is really good. I feel that it is natural and nice. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna use it continuously, and if you guys want a like complete review and how it worked on myself, don't forget to follow me on my Instagrams. I will be telling you guys how it really worked on my eyes and on my lashes. Also, I'm gonna wash this off and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I have washed my lips and it looks so nice and hydrated. I can feel it. You can't actually see it on camera, like the camera can't catch it, but I can really feel the like moisturized lips. There's no dead skin on my lips. I feel so good with my lips right now. I don't think I need any lip balm or anything like that to moisturize my lips even more. I think the scrub is so much more enough, and this is my favorite product. This is my first favorite product. And then if I talk about the brow oil, it is so amazing. It is not at all heavy on my like brows or also on my lashes, because most of the people tend to use castor oil on their brows and on their lashes, and that makes your lashes and brows really heavy when you sleep, and that's not very comfortable. But with this product, I don't think it is like that. You will feel very comfortable. I am applying it now, I'm talking to you guys, I'm not even sleeping, but it really helps and it doesn't feel heavy at all. So yeah, I like it a lot, and I think you guys should try these products out as well. Also, if I talk about the brand, they also like pocket friendly. The products are not very costly. It's really pocket friendly for girls like who don't really earn, who get pocket money and really want to try skincare products which are all natural and organic. Then you should try these products out because they are really amazing. I will be putting their link down in my description so that you can try other products as well. ये जो भी दो products मुझे मिले हैं, I'm gonna put that as well, and also some other products so that you can try that out as well. They have face wash, they have eye gel, they have face gel, and they have lot many other things, so you can try that out as well. So yeah guys, that is it for today's brand and product review. Hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you want more such videos, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. Also, if you buy any of these products, do let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. Till then, take care and bye bye.